Thanks for watching. I'm going to be putting in some deck lights here. I got these on eBay, and we're not using them for a deck, we're actually using them indoors, but the reason we went with deck lights is because they work outdoor. Good for a bathroom, good for humidity and water, waterproof. So I got those for about 30 bucks on eBay, like I said, and they cost about 75 or 80 if you go to your local hardware store. And what I did right here, I'm just showing you how they work, and you plug them into a regular, what is it, a 110 volt and or 120, one or the other, I can't think right now. It's got a transformer here, so to the transformer it starts going to the lights, and they're pretty impressed with the brightness of them, and they plug into each other. So you would plug this one in and the next one would plug in, and you can't mix it up because the inserting plug is different. So you would put a hole in the wall, I think it's about 1 inch there, and you insert them into the wall, and they would go into flat, or if you're going to be using them for a deck, you can keep going with them because you can see that's the end one, and they give you a cap to cap it off if you're going to stop at the 10th one. So what I'm doing right here is restoring a bathroom, and I have some shelves in the wall, and what I'm going to do is drywall the inside of that, and those are going to be like shelving, and inside of the wall they're going to I'm going to put in about 4 lights on each one, and they're going to have their own switch, and I'm going to run the wires all the way to my electric box. You see I've already made the hole over here, and that's going to be a separate switch. I'm going to tap the power in over here, and so when I hit the switch it will go in over there. And what I'm doing is dropping a wire down all the way through the wall, and because I'm restoring right now, I'm going to run the wire along the bottom, and once I get up here going with the lights, when I put in the 4, I'm probably going to start at the top, being that I put in the 4 lights there, run my wires down, 4 lights in there, and what I'm doing, you see I ran some wires over here. Before I put that slab of drywall in there, I was able to get them into the shower. So I'm also going to have maybe a couple lights inside of the shower, same concept, shelf inside of the shower, put your shampoo, shaver, stuff like that. So pretty cool setup, just trying to give you guys ideas what to do with these LEDs in a bathroom, or if you're going to use them for your deck. They're pretty cool. So pretty impressed with the brightness. Like I said, it's pretty decent. So thanks for watching. Hope this video shows you a little good review on these LEDs.